Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is an hyperlink. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an hyperlink? A hyperlink can be thought of as interface that links a source to a target. Clicking the hyperlink at the source will navigate to the target. Hyperlinks can assume any of the following appearances. We have text, images, URLs, or uniform resource locators control, for example, a button. Anchor text is a type of hyperlink represented by plain text. Anchor text is important in SEO or search engine optimization. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is hyperlink is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.